What up, dude?
Oh my god, I fuck with the hoodie.
Yeah.
Did you get my message?
No, did you send me one?
That's crazy.
I've had my phone.
I manifested you.
I've had my phone in my pocket instead of mounted. That's actually really fucking funny. I didn't see that.
Yeah, I'm only gonna do it until the sun goes down, and then I'm heading to the gym.
Oh yeah. I need to fucking... I thought it would be fun to like have the camera upside down right here, but it low-key sucks. It's kind of in the way. I might take it off and move it.
I was like, I know that bug. Nobody else here has the car.
That's crazy. I just got here too.
Good when we left the gas station that one time.
What?
I said you did really good when we left the gas station.
Oh yeah.
Like your body positioning.
Oh, I fucking love that corner, dude. I swear, it's just my problem with this road, bro, is I'm just too scared to go full stupid.
Yeah, but that one was perfect. I was like, that perfect posture.
I know, bro. It's fucking one of the best.
I was like, yes, yes.
One of the best tips I got for like improving my body position, like other than like hanging off with your knee, is your chest, bro. Like something that I swear people don't mention, like if you're leaning off here, you want to put like left pec to like right mirror to like really get off. It's fucking, it makes such a huge difference.
Yeah, I haven't done that yet.
That's all good. I used to go to like a parking lot and like practice going in circles a bunch.
Yeah, I need to get lower.
Yeah. What?
I said I've never been provoked so bad in my life.
Dude, the Porsche?
Yeah.
Dude, that guy was so cool.
He drove off.
I saw, yeah. Dude.
Why not?
By the way, I just noticed the sticker on the back of your helmet. I just noticed the, yeah. Are you a fan?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I go to, yeah. I fucking, it just clocked me.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Oh, that's the car with the car. Don't move his boss on the road. No. He was braking. I don't break it off.
Yeah. Dude, that first, like that split that he made between the cars, I don't know how he did it.
I know, there was oncoming traffic.
That guy was crazy.
I mean, he handled really well for first.
Yeah. I might honestly call it done.